Introducing Kyocera Cloud Print and Scan, a printing and scanning management solution for the new era of hybrid work environments. With new hybrid work styles, do you find it challenging to manage print and scan jobs? With Kyocera Cloud Print and Scan, you can create workflow experiences that fit your way of working. Your information stays secure because jobs are only performed after the user authenticates at the device. Any worker can easily print and scan, regardless of where or when, and without managing device connection settings. You can connect devices with various third-party cloud solutions and print or scan to your existing cloud storage accounts. You can also track the number of printed pages across multiple sites, using the cloud to set limits per group. Our cloud-based solution can be implemented in as little as 1 day, and no server administration is required. As your first step toward digitalization, Kyocera Cloud Print and Scan opens up business possibilities. With today's changing work styles, moving to the cloud is a necessity. Kyocera has an array of solutions to help your business achieve greater efficiency and profitability. Kyocera Cloud Print and Scan, a printing and scanning management solution for the new era of hybrid work environments.